In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share and how you can unshare your chats in Claude AI. So the first thing you need to do, you need to open your chat, which you want to share. So let's say I'm gonna click on this cleaning business chat. And now if you want to share your chat, you just have to click on share button in top right corner. Now you want to create a public link. So click on create public link. And now it's going to generate this link, which you can share to someone. And if he opens the link, it's going to redirect him to your chat, and then he can see your conversation. But keep in mind, he can only see the chat which was created before you sent the link. So everything after that, it's not going to be updated, and you have to create a new public link. So if I add, let's say, another prompt here, I'm gonna type hi, and I'm gonna open the shared chat. You can see that there is no new message. So in this case, if you want to like update it, you just have to share it again. And if you want to unshare it, you just want to go to your profile and you want to go to settings. Now we should go to privacy. And here you want to click on manage next to shared chats. And you can see your chat which you are sharing. So it's only this one for me. And now you can click on this unshare chat button. It's going to unshare it. And that's basically it. This is how you can share chats in Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.